Hey guys, so today I'm going to be playing a Royal High copy. As you can tell, what is happening? Okay. Okay. So today we're going to be playing a Royal High copy. My screen recorder just messed up. So as you can tell already, let's look at the pictures. This already looks exactly like Royal High. Like, if you saw this, you would think this is Royal High. I'm sorry, but why are there baby hairs in the middle of her face? I'm not gonna ask, but let's join to see. It's called Royalty Kingdom 2 Summer Update, even though it's literally September 18th. That's fun. Why spring? Town? Style? Why does it have that many? That's not good. The owner? Oh, people actually are YouTubers of this game. Misuki. Misuki did Royal High and played this? Oh my gosh. Oh. She's a Royal High person, right? Because I saw her at Royal Con and she was a featured creator. So, oh my gosh. Isn't Kraken's Greed like a... This is so Royal High copy. Play. Okay, here I am. Why am I running like this? I don't like it. Am I sitting on an invisible bench? Okay, so closet, does that dress up? Character, I'll just keep it like that. I'll put on bubbly. It even has the same fonts, so I'm starting to get a little scared. Closet. Oh, those are the DCD heels, and that looks exactly as a Shadow Empress. That looks like a Pigment Princess a little bit. Looks like another scoop, but I can't name it. Is that Ariana Grande? That's not okay. Are those Winter Guardians? I'm not gonna. Some of these corsets are a little sus. Okay. So we're just gonna shoes. I kind of like this. We're gonna be making, those look like lingerie. Okay, we're gonna be making an outfit that looks like the most exact to Royal High. So this looks the most exact. Okay, that was unexpected. Not the shop. Closet. So we gotta color these. Okay, maybe we can make like jeans. Oh, that. Okay. Maybe we can do like a red heel. Like a brighter red. I don't even see what we're doing, so I'm just gonna do the same as the other. Done coloring. Skirts. This kind of looks like the pleated skirt. This looks like the party tutu. It doesn't have the bow. I kind of like that. That's pretty. I guess this, yeah. sleeves. Okay. The sleeves that look the most, these look like the baby doll sleeves. And those look like the enchanting alien, but they're just higher up. So I'm gonna go with the arms. I'm not removing the nails, this like... Okay, I don't like the arm shape, it's weird. So this one looks like the DC sleeve. So I'll wear color. None of these yellow heights. This looks like this like a yellow. Okay, yellow. I like the yellow color. Names I'm not gonna add. Sweet peanut. Sweet peanut. A lot to do this stuff. I don't think Ready for Teddy would be using and your sweetener would ditch well. So let's and we're gonna just find like a normal browns. Oh no, this is not good. Okay. Makeup. Oh, these are all by Artsy Chanel. I don't think she allowed this. I don't know who Bugalicia is, but what? Oh, they're there, barely. But is that the no face? They couldn't use the void stuff because they don't have permission. Outfits. No, I'm not saving. Okay, let's see what you can do. Why do people walk like this? Oh, you cannot fly. Mini games. Collect the shells. Okay. Game will start in 6 seconds. Oh, we're on the town. 3, 2, 1. Okay, fine. Let me see shells. We have 4 minutes. This is actually kind of fun, but not really. I just like doing like quests like this to like earn stuff, but I don't think we can earn stuff because it's all given to you. I like the fact that it's given to you, but there's just nothing to look forward to in the game. Like, I guess we can get like the currency, but what are we gonna do with the currency? Is the currency flowers? I think there's 100 seashells. And I think I'm the only one playing the minigame right now. Enemy. So yeah. And I think they respawn too. She's trying to be Ariana Grande. Cheater. I think it's only these ones. But yeah. Do you guys think this is a copy of Royale? Because I do. It's like, come on, those palm trees are the ones in Diamond Beach. Like, come on. In Diamond Beach, they should add a volleyball court. That would be so. That would be kind of cute. I want to buy the surfboard so bad. Okay, I have 50 more. Like 2 minutes. I think I can do this. I've already gotten 50 so far. And they gave us, what, 4 minutes? Maybe 5, I don't know, I think it was 4. Okay, let's try to find some more. Okay, there's a lot here. Ignore the background noise because my parents just came home. Oh, my mom just came home. So yeah, 38 more. Okay. Oh, no, we don't want to set 80 there. I need to go in. I guess that makes it easier to find, I guess. There's others here.
Hello.
Okay, so that is the left and it's okay. Just kind of what I got. This one. What is another for that? These are some. One more. What if we don't make it? Coins. Are these coins? These are really this is what this stuff is money. 597. What can I buy for 97 I can't buy it in this shop. Is that some white skirt? It is exactly like some dream skirt. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. My time's running out, so bye. This is a copy.